Fellas, I'd like to give you an update on that. On this 22, they got the engine redone at 108. This is a 22, 2 of 22. Has 134,000 miles. We're gonna do a cold start together. Define cold start. Suppose it's 113 degrees outside. I don't know if it's that high, but it's in the 90s, so it's not like your average cold start. It's just this thing's been shut off for a day or two, so let's fire her up and listen to that engine. Like clockwork. That engine sounds like new. Probably because it is. At 108, they got overhauled. You're a 22 owner. First telltale sign you got a weak engine or a failing engine. It'll click. It'll start ticking, and then it'll start to lightly misfire, and then the misfire is just going to get worse and worse. Typically, they start giving you hell about 60,000 miles. Ours 60,000 miles, meaning highway towing miles. I just had a friend blow one at 58,000 miles, guys. No joke. This isn't just me. There's other people out there with this issue. Ram's gonna have to do something about it. But got Dave and Isaac. So all this truck does is tow, right? That's all she does. Tows. Well, that's important. That's what's clean. Hey, Isaac. Just a sec. I'm doing a video. So with that being said, I'll snap. Pressure's up there. So it's about 50-50 on the idle. Just round it off, guys. So this truck gets idled quite a bit. Consider that with the mileage. So for the last 4,700 miles, I got 11.3. And then for the last 4,700 miles, I got 11.2. But there's a problem with that time. Well, they're both going to be up there, so I don't know if that's accurate. Do your math there. I know the mileage are known to the mileage they reset, but the time clock doesn't. Also, another question you guys always ask is the hour meter. So let's find that for us. The total hours. I think I already showed you that. Yeah, 44.98. So 4,500 miles on this engine. She sounds sound and well. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. She definitely purrs like a kitten. So far, so good. Watch your intake filter, your engine filter. Other than that, it's a good workhorse. Hopefully she serves us well and doesn't give us any issues. As of now, I'll be driving one of these here shortly. That's my personal rig. Yes, sir. I should be driving there in about a couple weeks. Brother to this one, so we'll go from there. Alrighty, fellas, as always, the Lord bless you. May you almighty find day, and if all goes well, Paul will be back in the May cap. Not this one, another one like this one. It's kind of nice to see it have the mileage that it has. The one that I'm thinking of picking up for myself has 80,000 miles on it. I'll share that video when it comes through, but at this point, that's what it's looking like. Engine runs well. After you guys are gonna ask what was changed, rockers, push rods, and the lifters, hydraulic lifters. Oh, they did put a new cam in it too. You could feel it here. You could also feel it in the exhaust. Pretty steady. It just reeks. Exhaust just reeks. If it needs a wash, you're ready to hit the road. All right, fellas. God bless you.